Hi friends! I hope everybody had a chance to view the video where I was reading you all Give Me Half, because this right here is the review. So let's review what we learned in the book Give Me Half. Now you should have learned that half means two pieces that equal one whole. So you see this rectangle, that's a whole. But if we divide it down the middle equally, we now have 1 out of 2. So that's half. And we have 2 out of 2, right? So in the book, we had one whole pizza, right? And we divided it in half, and we got half. So 2 halves are equal to 1 whole. All right, let's go on the next slide. All right, so let's get to thinking. We have half of a rectangle here, but what if I divide it in half again this way? I wonder what happens then. Ooh, it's a little funky, but just pretend they're straight lines. So now we have not 1 and 2, but we have 3. Now we have 4. So how do I know that these are all equal parts? Right, because we have 2 straight lines that are dividing the square into 4 equal parts. Now, if I drew 4 equal parts like this, or 4 parts like this, that wouldn't be equal, right? We would have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts still, but they're not equal. So we can't really say that this has 4 equal pieces. It just has 4 pieces that might go together. But if I gave you this piece, this small piece right here, and I get this huge piece, that wouldn't be fair. All right, so half versus fourth. We saw how that went, huh? So if we have half, we have 2 big slices. Let me redraw that. That was not good. We have 2 big slices, right? And they're pretty equal. So this is 1 and this is 2. Now, remember when I drew the fourths, we just divided this again. And now we have 4 pieces, right? 3 and 4. Notice how these pieces are smaller, right? These pieces are smaller, but guess what? The square is still the same size, so if we put all these pieces together, we have 1 whole square, right? All right, my friends, it was so much fun learning with you. I hope you guys are ready for the next activity.